Okay, guys, here. So here's a mower axle. And I had a bunch of slop in here because it was wore out. So what I did was I took a lawnmower tire bearing that you put in the rim and I welded it there. And then I was going to use a bearing on the bottom, but I was going to have to add more shaft up here. So then I decided I took a lock washer, flattened it out, welded on the bottom, and now this thing's like butter. Silky smooth. I'm gonna do the other side, but this side is like perfect.